Hello, students. Hope you are learning well. In our last video, it means first part of this video, we have discussed about a boy named Patrick who hated to do the homework. And this was Patrick, and who hated to do the homework. He would like to play hockey. You can see the hockey stick in his hand, and he would play basketball and Nintendo. Nintendo, I told you, this is a kind of video game. And one day he found his cat was playing with a small doll, but it was not a doll. It was a man of tiniest size, that is called elf. A man of tiniest size, elves are known to be having magical powers. And so he it was an elf. And he cried for his to save his life, and said that if you save me from this cat, then I will give you one wish. I will grant you one wish. Then Patrick saved him, and he said, instead, and what he demanded, the Patrick demanded that you have to do this homework, my homework, till the end of the semester, and that is for 35 days. And he agreed, but there was a problem that Elf knew nothing about the mathematics, additions, subtractions, divisions, timetables, multiplications, and even he didn't know anything about history, math, nothing he knew. Then Patrick had to help him in every way. And this was what we have read in our last video. And he knew nothing. As a matter of fact, every day in every way, that little elf was a nag means, one who troubles someone all the time. He was a nag. It was a nag. He was troubling Patrick every time, because he knew nothing about. Whenever he felt any problem, he asked Patrick, go and pick that book from the library, or do something. This is what I don't understand. Come and guide me here. So it was a nag for Patrick, and Patrick had to help him every time. And so what happened, that every day, the little elf was a nag, and Patrick was working harder than ever. Patrick never did such a so much of work in helping others, because he never liked doing homework. He liked to play hockey and basketball and Nintendo. And now he had to help that little man in doing homework, so he had to work hard. So this was what the Patrick's condition was, very poor now. Patrick was working harder than ever. And you see, here Patrick was working harder than ever. And it was a drag. He was staying up nights. उसको रात रात भर जागना पड़ रहा था. He had never felt so weary. Weary means tired. Weary means tired. He had to very much tired, and was going and was going to school with the eyes puffed means swollen eyes. When you need you study until night, okay, then what happens, your eyes will swell up. So this was happening. This much of hard work Patrick was doing. And bleary and puffed and bleary means, the reddish complexion that comes to the eyes when you wake up for night. Finally, what happens, finally the last day of the school arrived, and the elf was free to go. Now this was the last day, and elf's promise was over. As for homework, there was no more, because there was no more homework, because it was the last day. So he quietly and sleepily slipped out the back door. Sleepily means secretly, means silently. He slipped out of the back door, because his promise was over, and it was the last day. So the elf went away, and Patrick got his A's. His classmates were amazed. Patrick got A's, means A grades in all the subject. When no, earlier when he was not doing the work, as many of the slow learners do, those slow learners basically what, those who don't do the work, they become slow, because those who don't do the work, what happens, they becomes they feel lack of knowledge, because if you don't practice whatever is taught to you by the teacher. Suppose that nowadays we teachers are making our videos and giving you a lot of work, and what you people, many students, I found that they come to the class group only, they give their attendance and then they go away. They never try to go through the video carefully. It is advised to you, you have got a very good opportunity. You can watch this video 2 or 3 times, so as to clear your concept in any of the subjects. So it's not like that your schools are running, so you need to do this work if you really want to have some knowledge. So if you don't study, then you will become a dumb. You will not have any knowledge. So it is my advice to you. So you need to work, because without work nothing will happen. What happens here, I'm coming back to the point. Patrick got his A's. Earlier he was securing only C or D grade, now he got A grades. His classmates were amazed. Classmates were surprised. Amazed means surprised. His teachers smiled and were full of praise. All the teachers were praising. Now what happens, those who don't work, they get a good scolding from the teachers, but those who start working, the teachers, they praise, they say good words. And his parents, they wondered what had happened to Patrick. Patrick's parents were also surprised that what happened to my boy. He was never coming with the good grades, now he got very good grades. He was now the model kid. Model kid means some others may follow him. He became the model kid. Cleaned his room, did his course, and was cheerful, never rude, like he had developed a whole new attitude. Now he becomes a very good boy. He started doing all his work at his own. You see, in the end, Patrick still thought he had made that tiny man to do all his homework. But I will share a secret, just between you and me. It wasn't Elf. Patrick had done it himself. Carol Moore. Carol Moore, the writer says that this is a secret, that no elf was there. It was only Patrick who did all his homework. It was Patrick who did his homework himself and become a good boy. So finally, it is said that if you do your homework at your own, then nobody can stop you from getting good grades. So this is what this was the chapter end, and here after that there are certain questions working with the test. You can work with this, you can try to answer these, and thereafter I will send it in the work group. Then I will give you corrections if there are any. And here in this chapter we have learned that doing work is your own task, and you need to go through it at your own. If you get a help from somebody else, then you will not get a good knowledge. And homework is given to you so as to apply yourself, the knowledge that you get from the teachers, that you apply, and that you get more and more practice, and the concept becomes clear in your mind, and the knowledge and learning becomes complete. So always never try to escape, never try to run away from the homework that is given to you. Always try to do that, then you will certainly get the good grades. And hope that you all will watch all the study materials that are sent to you by the teachers during these times. And you go through that, and if there is a problem, then you can ask to the teachers, and you can raise your queries, you can clear your doubts, and you all are welcomed for any kind of doubts. Okay, thank you.